This is pretty much the home screen of the application. And what the application does is pretty much replace or face swap or image swap or put in pretty much any picture. As you can see here from these example at the top here, you have this option at the top here so you can see what the application does. And if you scroll across, you have the reshot option as well. If you do scroll across, you have the face swap option as well, as you can see here. So down here you have the celebrity option, which you can use as well. All you have to do is pretty much select any one of these presets, templates or setup which you can use. Once you have selected any one of these, you'll be able to pretty much tap on get preset and you'll be able to upload your photo of yourself, and you'll pretty much be able to replace this person here with a picture or you. So that's basically how the application works. So you have a lot of different options which you can choose from. You have exotic locations, you have luxury cars, you have the movie scenes options, you have the red carpet option, you have the sports option as well. A lot of different options which you can choose from. All you have to do is just scroll and look for what you want. You have the official meetings, as you can see here, and you have a lot of different ones. Just scroll and you pretty much be able to find a lot of different options which you can find. So you can just tap on the see all option if you want to see all of the templates which you can use in a specific section, and you'll be good to go. So in the generate option, this is pretty much where you can upload your image and upload a photo that you want to do the face swap with, and you're pretty much good to go. And as well, you can generate images using their generation feature. So you have the config option here, which allows you to pretty much config the desired amount of image you want to generate, as well the accuracy as it relates to the photo or the model that you have uploaded of yourself. Basically the accuracy of the image. And as well down here you have the aspect ratio which you can select as well, as you can see here, and as well the accuracy or how fast you want it to generate. So nothing much for that. So that's really pretty much it. And the reshot option, which I've shown you guys earlier, as you can see here, this is pretty much how it works. And all you have to just upload a photo and you'll be able to replace it with yourself. Upload the photo that you want to do a reshot with, and you'll be able to use this feature. So very easy to use. And in the library section is pretty much where you'll see all the image that's been generated or you have created using the template option or the generate feature option. So that's really pretty much it for the application. And as well, if you do tap on this at the top here, you'll be able to go in the settings option where you can sign in and pretty much get your account ready up. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application here. Nothing much. I haven't seen any subscription, but if I missed the subscription part, just let me know in the comment section. But I haven't seen any subscription with this application here. And with all that said, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next one.